Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Walmart Global Tech India is conducting online hackathon for the women candidates. We will check the eligibility criteria later, but the hackathon registrations are already started. You need to register to enter this Walmart company off campus drive. You can check here the date. Registrations are already opened on 31st May. Last date to apply for this off-campus online hackathon is 11th June. Registration deadline on the right side, you can check here, 11th June till 11:59 p.m. as per standard India Standard Time. Okay, so to register you need to click here. You can check here, already 43,279 candidates have already registered on this site. 2 days left. On 11th June the link will close. Now today is 9th of June. Okay, so you need to register to enter in this off campus drive. It may extend up to 17th of June. Okay, so eligibility criteria: engineering student, any branch candidate. Okay, then postgraduate, undergraduate, then region India they have mentioned. Okay, so the stages: first stage will be MCQ round, second stage will be coding round, third stage will be your interview. In MCQ round there will be 30 question, 30 minutes. Okay, they will give you 30 minutes to solve 30 questions. This MCQ round will conduct on 12th June from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Once you crack first stage, that is MCQ round, then coding challenge will be there. It will be for 90 minutes. They will give you a problem statement, one code that you need to execute or run successfully. The coding challenge will be conducted on 13 June from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. as per India Standard Time. Okay, as this is mainly for India region, and after that interview will be conducted in the mid of June. Okay, so the date will be announced later on the candidate registered mail ID. Okay, so they have mentioned some information here about this online hackathon. So directly we will check the eligibility criteria. Coders is open to all female candidates across all engineering colleges in India who are pursuing. Okay, so this is mainly for female candidates. BE BTech full-time program from 3rd to 4th year 2021 batch, 2022 pass out only. First and second year students are not eligible to apply. Dual degree full-time program from 4th and 5th year 2021 and 2022 pass outs only. First, second and third year students are not allowed to apply. ME MTech full-time programs from final year only, 2021 pass out. First year students are not eligible to apply. Only those students with CGPA above 7 can apply. Please note this point. Only those students with CGPA above 7 can apply. Any student not meeting this mark will be disqualified. We will keep a close watch on any kind of plagiarism. You will get locked out of the test if you attempt to open any other tab except the test screen. Okay, suppose if you try to open the next tab while attending your exam, then you will get disqualified. They have mentioned one note here. Okay, so competition stages: level 1 MCQ challenge. Okay, testing your computer fundamentals, 30 minute 30 question MCQ question. Level 2 will be coding challenge, 90 minutes, that you need to give the coding logic. Okay, then level 3, that will be the interview. It will get conducted in the mid of June. Okay, then rewards: top 15 students to get a cash prize of 25,000, top coders to get PPI pre-placement offer, and will get interviewed for software roles by tech expert at Walmart Global Tech India. Okay, you will get prize also. Plus you will get permanent job opportunity as a software engineer or software developer in Walmart Global Tech India company. Our software engineering salaries are in the range of 18 to 21 lakh with 2.5 to 5 lakh joining bonus. Okay, they provide you 2.5 to 5 lakh joining bonus, and CTC will be up to 18 to 21 lakh, and new hire restricted stock units as well. All students clearing our interview process to get exciting goodie kits. Okay, if you crack interview round, they will give you exciting gifts as well. Okay, so what are the important dates and timelines? 11th June registration deadline, 12th June MCQ challenge, 13th June coding challenge, and 16th June result declaration will be there. Suppose if you face any type of technical issue, you just directly mail on this mail ID, they will surely help you. Okay, so top 15 coders will get 25,000 and pre-placement offer, permanent job opportunity, and your CTC will be up to 26 lakh. Okay, you can check here top coder to get PPIs. Our software engineering salaries are in the range of 18 to 20 lakhs, 21 lakh, with 2.5 to 5 lakh joining bonus. Okay, so here is information about the Walmart Global Tech India company. So yeah, you can check here. So please guys, don't miss this chance, don't miss this opportunity. Please apply for this drive and get your dream job now. Okay, so to register, click here. I will provide this link in the description box below, and please share this video with your friends so that they will also register for this online hackathon. And thanks for watching this video.